Hello and welcome back to another video. Oh my god, I can't see. Literally, I can't see. Fogged up. Goddamn fogged up, man. Come on. Yeah, that's right. Oh, look at that. I need an oil change. Wow, someone's on the wacky-backy smoking the doobsters. Apologies for the 9 wind noise. So I hope you're all doing well. I hate going back on nights. Rough as nails, man. Running on, well, 1 hour prepared to sleep. 1 hour's prepared sleep. Now I'm telling you, for a night shift, that is not a lot. But in fairness, I've been busy fucking painting my passageway, and that's just as fun and exhilarating. Oh, it's going in. So I've been emulsioning that. Wonder if he's using his phone or he just can't be bothered to go faster. Normally people fucking bomb it over here. So I'm only on 2 night shifts tonight, which is a good thing, because normally it'd be 4, so it is a bit minimal, which is a good thing. And I look forward to it finishing as soon as possible. In my last video before the group ride, I recorded 4 clips, which meant I lost 3 20-minute long clips of, so I'm absolutely fucking livid, pissed off, anything you can think of, furious, the lot. Absolutely fucking gutted. And there was some good clips in there, and now I've got to turn it into a fucking observation. Either that, or I just leave it as it is and just not upload it and just hope for something else on my 2 ride so far. But the likelihood of that is 0, because I'm not going to be riding for very long after today. So I got 4 videos I can make on tap, but that's about it. Anything else, I'm going to be busy then for a little while, which is should have prepared for it a little bit more. But yeah, I'm going to go dark for a little while, as I'm going to be away for the weekend or week, and then I'm off on my 8 days anyway. Well, 8+ days. Well, you was in the wrong lane, you dickhead. I'm going to sort out my mic as well, get some more foam on there. But to be honest, my helmet has quite a lot of wind throughput. Ring a ding ding a ding. Ring a ding a ding ding a ding. Righto, my beautiful people. Till the next one.